boys and girls. Hope everybody's doing well. So today we are going to be doing circle time. I'm going to be reading a story and then we're going to do a letter activity. So let's get started. So if yesterday was Monday, then that means it makes today Tuesday. So it is Tuesday, April, what number is this? 14. Good job. Of what year? 2020. And what is the weather today? Look outside. I see that it's sunny and windy today. So now we are going to do our ABCs. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Good job, everybody. So now we are going to move on to our numbers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we are going to move on to our shapes. So we have octagon, square, star, rectangle, triangle, circle, heart, oval, and diamond or rhombus. And last but not least, we are going to do our colors. We have black, orange, green, yellow, pink, red, gray, white, brown, and blue. So now I'm going to read you a story that is called If You Give a Cat a Cupcake. It is written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you give a cat a cupcake, he'll ask for some sprinkles to go with it. When you give him the sprinkles, he might spill some on the floor. Cleaning up will make him hot, so you'll give him a bathing suit and take him to the beach. He'll want to go in the water and build a sand castle too. Then he'll look for seashells. Have you ever gone to the beach and looked for seashells? He'll find a few other things as well. He'll put them in his pail and try to pick it up, but it'll be too heavy. He'll decide he needs to go work out at the gym. Do you think he needs all of this? I don't. First, he'll warm up on the treadmill. Then he'll lift a weight or two. He might even try a karate class. After the gym, he'll want to go to the park. When you get there, he'll see the rocks. He'll climb as high as he can go. At the top, he'll see the lake. He'll want you to take him rowing. He'll be the captain and you'll have to row. Then he'll notice the merry-go-round and want to go for a ride. He'll want you to go for a ride too. You'll choose the horse with the purple mane and he'll get on the whale. The whale will remind him of the science museum. He'll ask you to take him there. First, he'll find the... What do you think he's going to find? Let's find out. Dinosaurs. Then he'll visit the... Let's find out. Hall of Apes. when the museum closes, you'll be the last to leave. On the way home, you'll pass by the beach. You'll help him gather all of his things. Then he'll want to race you. When you get home, he'll empty the sand from his shoes. He might spill some on the floor. Seeing the sand on the floor will remind him of the sprinkles. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him some sprinkles, he'll want a cupcake to go with them. The end. Wasn't that a cute story? I liked it. So now, before we end, we are going to do a letter activity. So we are going to do the letter D. For this activity, you're going to need a piece of paper, a marker, and some Play-Doh. So first, you could pick any letter you want, but today I picked the letter D. So you're going to draw it on the paper, and you're going to place it down. Then you're going to grab your Play-Doh, and you're going to grab a little bit of it. You don't need too much. And what you're going to do is place it on the table or a floor, wherever you can find, and you're going to roll it like this with your hands. You can use both hands if you want, or use one hand. So we're going to roll it out until it's long enough to fit on our D. Do you think this is long enough? Well, let's find out. So I'm going to place it here, and yep, it is long enough. So I'm just going to press it down, so when I lift it up, it still is on the D. So then I'm going to pick a little more Play-Doh, and I'm going to roll it out again into a long snake, like this, until I think it's long enough. Do you think it's long enough? Let's find out. Is it long enough? No, I have to roll it a little more. And it's okay. If it's not long enough, you can either add more Play-Doh or keep rolling it out until it's thinner. Now I think it's long enough. Let's find out. And yes, it is long enough. So then I place it on the D and I press it down so that it sticks. And we have the letter D made out of Play-Doh. So the challenge I have for you today is to find something that starts with the letter D. It could be in your house, it could be around your house, it could be a stuffed animal, it could be anything. So one thing I have that starts with the letter D is my Donald Duck. So send me pictures or send me an email and let me know what you find. See you tomorrow.